Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out, bullshit. Spin back with a full clip. They say
It's been a minute because I'm still working on and what I'm trying to work on, y'all. I'm manifesting being a wig influencer because literally I have like I'm pretty sure I have like at least 80 wigs at this point, and I need some wig brands to start sponsoring me because I want to review wigs. I love wigs. I have way too many wigs, but also not enough wigs. So today I'm here with a wig review. I bought this at my beauty supply store because this was the last one. And he gave me a deal. Like, okay, I'm not gonna tell y'all I'm a gatekeeper. I'm not a gatekeeper, but I will forever gatekeep. Anyways, I'm not a gatekeeper, but I will forever gatekeep my beauty supply because his prices are just amazing. They don't go up. Okay. I can get me some good Bobby Boss, some good sensational for $24. You know what I'm saying? Each. Okay. He always got the colors for me. He be like, oh, I ain't seen you in a minute. I got some black owns. Okay. Prices real good. I'm sorry. I'm not about to. They already be selling out of the wigs that I want. So I'm not. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about where I got it from. Just know that I got it. Okay. So this wig was like $24, I believe. It's a human natural blend wig. This is something new he got up in there because you know he usually be having a brand, but it's what she looked like. And you know, I was really finessed. I didn't buy this wig. My mama bought this wig, and I knew she wasn't gonna wear it, but then she got it anyway. She was like, "Oh well, here you can have it," because like I feel like you would. This is something you would wear, girl. What? Anyways, so we gonna try this on, and we're gonna see how I look. Hopefully, I don't look stupid. Um, but yeah. Well, I guess I should show y'all it out the pack first. So this is she. This the little card. She's 14 inches. Her name is Cindy. Why she look scared? Why the girl in the car look scared? Oh my god, girl, wake up. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how she look out the pack. Okay, I'm excited. We got a little bridge. We got a little bridge. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put the wig on off camera and then I'm gonna show you, okay? Okay, so despite my inability to see, I took my glasses off. Y'all, what y'all think? I don't know. I don't hate it. I think maybe like it's the makeup. It's the makeup that's kind of throwing me off because I don't know, but I think it's kind of cute. Like, I don't know if the outfit is helping because there's a lot of colors going on. What y'all think? She kind of cute, right? I like the length. I would prefer, I like long hair, but sometimes, sometimes you need like a little short moment. This reminds me of another wig that I have. I'll probably insert a picture. This blue with the bangs. I love bangs for some reason. Bangs do it for me. But I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't know. It's cute. I would wear it. I would figure out something to wear this with. Let me see. Because when I wore the other one, I think I did something like, what did I do? I think I like pulled out the edges or something. I don't really have like a pin or something, but like I pinned it back. See if I can do it behind my ear because I don't got no pins right now. But I kind of like did it back like that. Well, it's kind of cute too, right? Well, obviously that doesn't work, but I would have to figure this part out so it doesn't show my red hair or something. But like, this is cute. Let me. Like a little mullet mom. This is cute. Okay, wait. I like this. I think I kind of like it with the little front pieces out though. Pin it and then leave the little front little swoop. That's really cute. Okay. Period. Anyway, shout out to my mama. She bought this wig for her, but really for me. And I will, when I style this, I'll come back and show y'all, okay? How do I do slow motion? If I knew how to do slow motion, y'all would be giving y'all. Any wig brands y'all want to sponsor me, y'all should sponsor me. Because, you know, I do it all. I can do any color, any length. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, she's cute. Period. I need to do like some real serious makeup because I don't really have that much makeup on. I just did my eyes and some lip gloss, but I don't know. If I had like a full beat going on. Period. Okay, anyways, that's all I got for this video. Subscribe to be along for the ride. I'll be on Twitch playing games. If y'all want to come see me, come see me. I'm gonna find the link to this wig because I did buy this at the store. But I'm gonna find a link to this wig and put it in the description if y'all want it. I'm pretty sure it does come in other colors. This was just the last one of this color. My mom was like, you need that. So, yeah. Hit me, wig brands, period. All right, bye.